Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of learning KiCad, how we can design our circuit, how we can made a PCB in the KiCad. So in the previous video we saw how we can design the circuit in the schematic editor. Now in this video we will see how we can assign or we can switch this schematic to PCB editor. So let's start this. So first of all, if you want to switch this to a PCB editor, you need to assign the footprint to all these components. Footprints means how your this component will look in your PCB, in your actual PCB. So first we'll do it, we'll assign the footprint, and then we will see how we can switch it to PCB editor. So we'll assign footprints to it. So you can see there are various options. You need to go over there and you need to click to battery, and you can see there are various footprints available. You'll click on the battery, you will see the footprints, so you can select anyone, like it is based on the project you are doing. So currently I'll select this. Then we'll select for LED. You scroll down and you can see there are various components. You can select any footprint. Now we'll go for LED through hole. So you can see again there are various options. I'll select a simple one. Then we'll go for resistor as well. So if I search resistor, you can see over here I'll select this, and now we have selected the footprints. Now we'll apply and save it, and then we'll press OK, and we will again run one time ERC so that we can check our circuit is right or wrong. So run ERC, and you can see there are zero errors, zero warnings. Now you are ready to switch to PCB editor. To switch to PCB editor, we will go on this tools, and here you can see the option update PCB from schematic. So when you click on this, you will be updated towards the PCB editor. Now the new window will open. Yes, you need to click update, then close, and you can see you have your PCB ready. That's it. So now we will arrange this PCB so that it looks good in a particular area. So you can see, you can select the component, you select this, like you select this one, and you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. And even you can rotate it, like I click it over here, and you see there are many options. Rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, or you can use even R to rotate, like I'll rotate it like this or anytime. So now the thing is, you want this battery to be backside of the PCB and this resistor and LED in the front side of the PCB. Now to switch this battery to backside, we need to flip this. So I'll select this and I'll press F, so it will be flipped. Now you can see it is flipped. Now we can arrange it easily, like now I'll rotate it as well. Now I will arrange them, like I'll take the resistor over here, I'll take the LED over here. You can see you can place it very straight. Then I'll take this resistor. Now you can see the wiring is very uneven, so you can even rotate this resistor as well, so that it is not much complicated. You can even rotate this, like you can do it like this, or even whatever you know. This is a good one, so we'll do it. Yes. So now you can see you have made it very clear. This battery is in the opposite side, resistor in the front side, LED in the front side. Now you can see there are various options over here. So we will assign root tracks to it. So I'll take the blue one. You can choose any color, and I'll assign it over here. You can even zoom it and see that whether it is assigned correctly or not. And then I'll assign red one to this. You can again, I'll say you will zoom it and see. Then you can even assign, you can zoom and you can see it. You can take this, and even you can shift it by pressing the V, and you can connect it over here. So now we have even given root tracks to it. Now we have even assigned the roots to it. Now we will check that whether this PCB design is correct or not. So here also we have a design rule checker. So we'll click on this and we'll run the DRC. So you can see there is one error, and in this error is we have to assign edge cuts. So what we'll do is we'll click over here. You can see there are options. You can click on edge cuts. You can select any type, like you can select the line, circle, whatever you don't want. I have selected a rectangle, so I'll provide an edge cut to it. Okay, now we will run DRC. Now you can see there are zero errors. Now you can close it, and this is our PCB which is ready. Now if you want this to view the 3D view of this PCB, you can go to views. You can click in this 3D view. You can see over here, this is your PCB ready. The battery is in the back side and the LED and resistor is in the front side. So this is your 3D view. You can rotate it and see. So that's it from this video. In the next part, we will see how we can use symbol editor in the PCB, and in the more coming up videos, we'll also see footprint editor as well.